this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your forecast. What blessings are coming for you for Capricorns? Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, or if you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. Please, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general reading, friends, and timeless also. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot for personal readings or bookings, orders. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So your cards are dropping out already, Capricorn. What blessings are coming for Capricorns? Wow. What blessings are coming for Capricorns? What blessings are coming next for Capricorns? So if your sun, moon, rising is in Capricorn, you can watch this reading by any astrology. If you know, wow, if you know a Capricorn, you can still watch this reading. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. A new offer of love. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. What is coming for Capricorns? What blessings? The Hanged Man and the, wow, there is a lot of major arcanas. Big changes are coming for you, friends. That is why I'm doing these readings. I don't usually do them like this. I do them month-wise for English and Hindi both. But you know, Spirit guided me because June is a big month. Although these are timeless readings, but June is a big month, and no wonder. Look at this, globally and collectively, a lot is happening. So you can see you have like one, two, three major arcanas here. So big changes are coming for you, friends. Absolutely, a lot of big changes are coming. What big changes, what blessings are coming? First of foremost, I see Capricorns, your intuition will be spot on. Your higher learning, your wisdom, all those doors are opening. You will connect more to spirituality, more to spirit, more to love, more to intuition, learning, all those things. You know, you will be becoming a master of something, maybe at your work. But I feel some of you could be becoming like getting more connected with your spirituality, or some sort of your you know, like you could be going for a doctorate degree or master's degree, some form of a learning where you will become the master. That is what I feel. And I also feel like a new offer of love is coming for you, friends. This is a new offer of love, Capricorns. I feel you had been in a karmic situation, or some situation was not going well for you. It could be a marriage, it could be a commitment or a relationship, or someone you were on and off with. This person was not treating you right, they were not choosing you. You felt very restricted in this situation. You felt like you can't even change this situation. But I feel you are not listening to your intuition regarding this situation. Some of you need to move out of that relationship, maybe. Or some of you, I think there is, your intuition is telling you something, you need to follow it, friends. It could be different for different people. Like for some of you it is like this person, and you know this relationship is not doing you good. Maybe this person is married, or they have another commitment, so they can't give you time, but you are still unable to move out of it. I feel it is going to end or transform in a better way for you, and more like in a way where you can actually grow from it, you know, learn from it. So it will be a beneficial learning experience for you, even if you have to end this relationship. Maybe some of you have already ended this relationship, or this you know, toxic negativity. You know, you have already stepped out of it, and but you are still learning from it. You know, you are growing spiritually. It was a spiritual lesson for you, Capricorn. Some of you went through a very bad relationship or a karmic relationship, but it was a spiritual lesson for you. You are growing from it, learning more, becoming spiritually advanced, or becoming more good at your careers, independence. Even if you are a student, maybe you were not finding support from your parents, or maybe there was friends who were pulling you down if you are young. But I feel you moved away, or somehow you found courage, and you will move out of those situations, and it will bring you a new breakthrough. This is huge, friends. This is huge. This will bring you love. This will bring you a renewed sense of luck and connection. You will feel like, yes, life, you are finally on the right track in life. This is amazing, Capricorns. You're finally like, yeah, I'm reconnected to what I wanted to do. It could also be a work thing, friends. Like you were at a work where people were not recognizing you, you were not at all happy, and there were seniors or juniors acting against you. But maybe you will step out, or that work will end on its own, and the new work that you will find, oh my god, that's gonna be the top of this world. You're gonna feel very emotionally happy, connected to that job, career move, or whatever it is, education. This will make you very happy. If this is a new relationship coming in, oh my god, this is your reward. This is like your payback. You have worked hard, you have learned, you have been patient, you have grown spiritually, you are working or growing spiritually. So this relationship will be very passionate, very emotional, and I feel like, you will still take your time. It could be with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person who is coming towards you, or it could be with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, especially Capricorns. If you are a man watching this, you could be meeting. Uh, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces woman, and that connection will be out of this world, very beautiful, nurturing. But I feel you will still be taking time. You will still not rush into it, because you have become very mature. You have become like, yeah, and you have become like patience is a virtue. So you will be taking your time and seeing where things are heading. And some of you could be missing, I'll clarify this. Some of you really want to push things ahead, in your career. You want to take the Capricorns are leaders in their work. They are super achievers, they are super hardworking people. So you may find a new person at work who will help you progress your work or business. So let's see why this for. Yeah, see the sun. I think there is still a bit of time before all this manifests for you or shows up in your life. This new love, or this job that you really love, or this business deal, this business person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. There is just a wee bit of time. Or you may have to still go through like some twists and turns to find this ultimate happiness, ultimate relationship. But I think it is worth it. It is worth it, Capricorns. This is your happiness. You deserve it. It is definitely coming for you. I feel there will be a wait like 2-3 months, or maybe like you are like it will happen right now. No, it may happen like 2-3 months afterwards. So that is there. Let's see what is your advice, like what action steps Capricorn needs to take. If you are a student, I feel you will be going for higher education, that's for sure. Like if you are in graduating, you'll go for masters. If you are masters, you'll go for doctorate. If you are already if you are not at all into studies, you may join a course. If you have never been to school, you may start your schooling or a new skill. Like I feel some of you could start learning, like chef, being chefs, cooking, modeling, textile, designing, all those things. Wow, this is interesting. A lot is happening for you. So what action steps Capricorn needs to take? Treasure Island and stay flexible. I told you, the path to your blessings is, your blessings are here, but the path is not straight. It is like this. So stay flexible and keep your mind open. Number 19 is here, which is also number 10, 1. So new beginnings are coming for you. You are right on the edge of a new beginning, friends. Your patience, just a little bit of patience is needed. Or rather, I would say it is not like patience. It is like you may meet this ultimate life partner, but before that, you may have to kiss a few frogs. It's like that. And you may question, I've already kissed the few frogs. how long it's gonna take? It won't take that long. It will be like you meet one person, you date one person and it doesn't click with them, but the next person you meet is the one that you are supposed to meet. So Treasure Island, absolutely number 9, sense of completion, sense of wishes coming true. That I the treasure will be yours, friends. You are going to find the ultimate treasure. And here is the tortoise. So yeah, things are going to go slow, but friends, slow and study wins the race. Remember that tale where rabbit and the tortoise ran and the tortoise won because the rabbit fell asleep. So yes, you are on the right path and great blessings are coming. Let's see what's the final message for Capricorns. These are beautiful readings. I'm super loving it. Capricorns. Wow, move. Some of you could be shifting or relocating also, like shifting your house, or you want to, like, ultimately you want a bigger house or like a bigger. I definitely see, like, some of you could be coming into a lot of money, like maybe from inheritance or maybe from a job that gives you a lot of money, or also maybe you are getting married to someone very rich, or you will get very lucky after that marriage. So money is coming. So you will buy a big home or something, or you will move into a better uh, place which is more closer to nature. So movement is coming, friends. Movement is coming. Any other? Oh my God. uh, I will not take that because I want only one. Angels, only one, please. For Capricorns. Feeling alone. Yeah, I definitely feel like some of you had been alone since a long time. I told you in the start, you ended a relationship way back, or right now you are with people who doesn't understand you. They don't like at work also. You don't feel appreciated. You are feeling alone right now. Like things won't happen, and you feel like this mountain you want to climb is very far away. Like here. You may feel your goals are very far away, but they are not so far away, friends. Keep your hope alive, and it is coming, friends. It is closer than you think. It's closer than you think. You don't need to worry about it. Let's see your advice for Capricorns, okay? I'm not taking too many cards. I will be shuffling and taking the ones that fly out, or one or two. For Capricorns, okay, this card wants to come out. A younger woman, or a younger person, dealings or relationship with a younger woman. So if you are a man, you could be dealing with a younger woman, or if you are in same-sex relationship, it could be a younger woman who is coming towards you, offering this love. I also feel if you are a woman, you could be meeting a younger man, or someone who is a very youthful looking, long haired man or a guy, and they will offer you love. Get back to the basics. Quill, wow, this is the angel feather. See, it's time to get back to the basics. It's not the time to rush things. You're already perfect. You are doing the things you need to do. See, older man, I definitely feel you had a falling out of a relationship with someone that you thought you could be yours. Maybe a father, mother, or maybe a twin flame soulmate. You thought you would marry them. Maybe this person was like of a different age group, elder than you, or maybe this was an older connection, like older connection, a relationship of the past, great personal sorrow. So definitely I feel you had to break up, or you may, or if you are very young, you may feel like your parents are not approving of your desires, your education or something. So you may have to go ahead with what your heart tells you. It may not be easy for you, but someone in your family who is younger may support you, like your sister, brother, or maybe someone like your mother may support you. So that is also there. And see, some of you were asking, when will it happen? It will happen in November, friends. See, I told you, it won't happen right away. There is that message again and again coming. So it will happen in November. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. And don't feel alone, friends. I am always here for you. Magic Vans Tarot is always, always here for you. So make sure to visit our channel every day. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.